Hey guys, Paul Colomire here, and today we're going to be going over why, in my opinion, Robinhood is better than Stockpile, and why I am going to be making the transition from Stockpile to Robinhood. Before we get into that though, I got this brand new mic right here, and I wanted you guys to let me know how the audio is on it, and if it's better than in my previous videos, how you guys are enjoying it. Just let me know. I like feedback. So, anyways, I first got Stockpile around 2 years ago, and it satisfied most of my needs as an investor. I invested just relatively passively. I would make a trade at most once a month, and I just was a very long-term investor. But the thing is, starting about maybe 6 months ago, I started getting into active trading more high risk situations like options trading, so I can make more profit from more risk. And as I learned about it, I went to Stockpile to see if Stockpile has options trading, and I was disappointed to see that they do not. Additionally, Robinhood also has cryptocurrency trading, if that's something you're interested in. So that's my first reason why Robinhood is significantly better than Stockpile. My next reason for my transferring from Stockpile to Robinhood is that Robinhood does not charge any fees per transaction, while Stockpile does charge a $1 fee. So this isn't too significant, but over time it accumulates. Consider if you're making a $100 trade, right? You're buying a stock for $100. It comes out to $101, which is 1%, which that's not too significant, but like it can accumulate if you trade frequently. It's just not something nice. It's nice that Robinhood offers no transaction fees. So my third reason for transferring to Robinhood is a lot more significant than the second, and that is that Stockpile takes the full day to go with a trade. So for example, if I saw that Tesla stock was at $830 at 10 a.m. and I wanted to sell my stock at $830, on Robinhood that sale would go through within a couple of minutes because it's a live market, and I would be trading with other traders, someone who's looking to buy at $830. The issue with Stockpile is that it waits until 4 p.m., the end of the trading day, to go through with that trade. And you guys can probably see the issue with that. It's that the stock could either like change value. Like let's say I wanted to sell it at $830, it went down to $780 by the end of the day. This is a real example I'm giving, and I had to sell at $780 instead of $830, which decreased my profits significantly off that trade, which just isn't a nice feeling, man. Like $50 is pretty significant money, and just having them take it away like that, it's not very nice. That's a very major motivator of mine to transfer to Robinhood. Like if you're not too active of a trader, if you do it relatively passively, it wouldn't really impact you that significantly. But as I'm getting more and more active in trading, it does not help. So to keep this comparison fair, we also need to look at what advantage Stockpile has over Robinhood. That's a lot of advantages. Nah, but to be fair, Stockpile was the first one to have partial stock trading, but recently Robinhood introduced that to their app, which was the final straw for me, pushed me over to the side of Robinhood, and I decided that's it. Robinhood is going to be my choice of investing app. There's just so much more functionality and usage with Robinhood that there really is no reason to stay with Stockpile in today's trading environment. So these are the reasons why I've decided to transfer to Robinhood from Stockpile, and that's all for this topic. But there is something else I want to discuss in today's video, which isn't about stocks per se. So it's about the direction and future of this channel, and I want to explore more topics on this channel because why do I make finance videos? I make finance videos because finance is a topic that I'm personally interested in, that I feel I can make videos that provide value to the viewers in this subject. There's other topics that I'm also interested in, such as personal development and improvement, which I kind of want to make videos about. I want to explore those topics in future videos, and that's definitely something I'm considering right now. And I was wondering if you guys would like to see that, and just let me know your opinion on that in the comments below. I was thinking about content ideas I could make, and I was thinking about making a new Robinhood investing series, right? So since I'm transferring all my entire portfolio to Robinhood, I'm considering, like, it's almost like a fresh start for me, and because of that, I want to make a series documenting my journey of making money with Robinhood, you know? So I really want to just explore my week to week trades, how I'm trying to make money, where I lose money, just overall how it goes. And you guys let me know if you would be interested in watching that in the comments below. But that's all for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, then make sure to like and subscribe. Like, is this really a question? But yeah, no, that's all for today. Peace.